Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to open the software. Now I am going to select top plane and sketch. Now go to draw the rectangle. Draw from center rectangle to origin. Now go to Smart Dimension. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 141 and this line dimension 21. Now give the this line dimension 141. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now I am going to extrude 21. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the line and select this point. Here make arc. Select. Now go to 3 point arc. Now select this point and select here and here. Select. Now draw the circle here. Two circle draw here. Now go to Smart Dimension, this circle dimension 81 and this circle dimension 42. Now this point and this point distance 129 and this line and this point distance 108. Okay, select. Now draw the line here. Now select here arc, make arc here. Okay. Now I am going to this arc radius 48 and this arc radius 36. Okay. Select. Now just move here. These are control this circle tangent. Okay. Now this line control this arc. This line control this arc tangent. Okay. This line control this line tangent. Okay. Now go to center line here. Okay. Now go to again draw here arc. Now go to arc. This point select and draw arc here. Select. Now draw line here. Select. Now go to draw arc here. select. Okay. Now these are control this line tangent. Now these are control this line tangent. Okay. Now this line control this line parallel. Okay. Now this line control this arc tangent. Okay. Now give the below here. These are below. This arc below 30. Okay. Select. Now go to this arc control this circle tangent. Now these are below 90. Okay, select. Now I am going to this move here 18. Just delete here coincident. Now I am just go to transfer 18. This point and this line 18 below. Okay, select. Now I am going to here delete this line, delete. Just this arc and this are connecting. This arc control this arc tangent. Okay. Now go to this point and this point connect line. Select. Now this point control this point coincident. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now I am going to select extrude here from select mid plane. Now here give the value 21. Okay. Now go to again here sketch select second sketch select. Now feature and extrude. Now select here. Now give the value here 50 or 60, 80, 60. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to fillet here. Now here select fillet and here select. Now this is and this is and this is. Now give the value here 20. Now go to isometric view. Now here select fillet. Now here give the value 2. Now here select here and this way select. Sorry. Now here select. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here select shaded. Now here select plain white. Now I am going to four whole corner side. Now here select. Now give the circle value 20. Okay. Now go to isometric view and feature an extrude cut. Okay. Now go to front plane and mirror. Now here select right plane. Now here select cut. Okay. Now I am going to here fillet. Now just here fillet, 4 hole fillet. Okay. Now this is fillet. No need here fillet. Okay. Now go to metal use, metal or color as you wish. I am going to select color or metal as you wish. I am going to color this. Now I am going to color. Okay. Go to isometric view. Make your job. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.